Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Cruze. Stock number is A7646. Starting right away up front, we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. You do have a rear backup camera on the back here. A 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruze audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.